Less flooding could be possible in parts of South Georgia, but as far as Ortega, we're dry there. Jacksonville points southeast stayed pretty dry based on, all of these showers came from Hurricane Rafael. They were a little heavier earlier, but here's the thing. They're thinning out. And once they thin out and then these showers dissipate off the coast, we're going to be in good shape for your weekend. Now, the big question is, what are we left to get? So here's the storm. OK, this is where it's going to be by about noon today as it takes that turn really to the west at this point, thanks to an area of high pressure that kind of steered it away from our western coastline. So as that happens, a lot of those bands go with it and we clear out. We'll still see some activity coming in off the coast of a very light variety, but this gives you a nice look broadly onto what we can expect. And then by the time we get into a little later today, Friday and Saturday, we could not be in better shape if we tried. OK, I actually think this is a little aggressive because I don't think we're going to see much on Saturday. There's a 20% chance of a light shower in there, but you should be good to go with whatever you're doing. South Florida, that could be a different story. Certainly if you're going to be traveling, a couple showers are possible, but for us, a mere trace. And this is all we've got left to see as far as that rain is concerned. The totals have come down to about 1/4 of an inch in Georgia. Once that's done, it's done. All right, so that is wonderful news. Temperatures out there right now, 70s. So it's also pretty humid as you walk outside. You'll feel that. 78 in Mayport, a lot of 75s on the board this morning, but our high temperatures today are going to be warm. We're anywhere from 82 to about 85 degrees. And as that rain clears out, you'll still kind of feel that humidity in the air. But overall, as we look down here toward Keystone Heights, up toward Middleburg, Lake City, Live Oak, and Lake Butler, 84 to 85 degrees. So again, warm and humid out there today. Hourly, take a look because you'll see that as you're in the 70s leading into the 80s, I'm keeping that 20% chance of showers in there for a specific reason. Those showers that come in off the coast, you saw them yesterday, they could pop up anywhere at any time. But as far as Hurricane Rafael goes, those showers in Georgia are set to dissipate pretty quickly and pretty soon, not leaving much more rain behind. Certainly did a number overnight, but now we're starting to see it clear out. So prepare for your weekend. I know your hourly forecast today, it looks good overall, despite that 20% chance of showers. I mean, you are cloudy out there for most of the day, but as you get into your Saturday, we're going to talk about that in your full forecast. We've got Porch Fest to look forward to in Springfield and so many other events, and we'll talk about them coming up.